Hello, in this video I'm going to show you how to manage share name and photo settings in contacts and what these are on iPhone. So today in front of me is the iPhone 12 with the iOS 17.4, but it really doesn't matter which iPhone you have or which version of the iOS you have, it's all going to work the same on every iPhone. So what you want to do is to open settings, then swipe down and tap on contacts. So then you want to go to share name and photo and click on this one. So what this is, when you're going to update your photo of your own contact, so the one that just your contact, it is going to be shared with your contacts on their phones. So as you can see, if you have the name and photo sharing to on and the name and share automatically to contacts only, to all your contacts, if you change your photo on your contact or your name, is going to be changed on the phones or of your contacts also. So keep in mind that you can set it to ask always. Here you can also change your name, so I'm going to change it to hard reset without this Q, and then I can either turn off the name and photo sharing or turn it on. If I don't want to share it with anyone, just keep it off. If you want to leave it on, and here you can change between always ask or contacts only. It's up to you. So after all, I don't want to, so I keep it off, then click done, and this is it. So thanks for watching. I hope this video helped you. If it did, please leave a like and consider to subscribe to our channel. Bye!